Hello my students, this is Luis the Librarian. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I hope that you and your loved ones are safe and healthy during this time of social distancing. This video tutorial is to show you how to download ebooks from Smashwords.com onto your tablets and your smartphones. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay, so this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how whether you have an Apple device or an Android, the process of downloading ebooks is very similar. First thing we have to do is we have to download Overdrive, which is a free ebook app, onto either your smartphone or onto your tablet, regardless if you have an Apple device or an Android. You're going to be looking for the App Store icon, whereas on the Android you're going to be looking for the Play Store, and that's represented by a little triangle. And when you tap on either one of those, you're going to be looking for the search bar. If you don't see a search bar right away, you might be looking for a universal symbol that looks like a magnifying glass. That's the search symbol. You want to tap inside the search bar and you want to type in the word Overdrive, one word, and then hit search. And it should be the first option that shows up. You'll recognize the Overdrive app. It's a blue app with a white O in front of it. And for any Apple device, you're going to see the button that says Get. But if you've downloaded it in the past, it might look like a little cloud that you can tap on where you can download it again. Whereas on an Android device, it's going to say Install. You want to go ahead and do that. Now, regardless if you have an Apple device or an Android, signing up and creating an account with Overdrive is the same. If you don't already have one, you're going to click on Sign Up. Once you do that, it's going to give you the option to sign up with your library card. And if you tap on using your library card, you'll be prompted to enter the name, either the name of the library that you belong to or your local zip codes. That way you can find the library in your area. Once you type in a name, you're going to see a variety of libraries in the area to choose from. You want to choose the one that's relevant to you, that you have a library card with. And then the next screen will prompt you to enter your library card number. Usually you would go ahead and enter those numbers without any spaces. And then hit sign in. Okay, this is the screen that you'll normally see. This is your bookshelf. And at this point, now we're going to go ahead and exit. You're going to hit the home button, usually at the bottom of your screen, to get out of that, and you want to go straight to your browser. You might have Safari if you have an Apple device, or you might have Google Chrome. Go ahead and tap on that. At the very top, you want to go ahead and type in Smashwords.com and hit go. So at the top of the Smashwords website, you want to go ahead and click on Sign In, even if you don't have an account, because when you do that, it'll give you the option to go ahead and register for an account. A green button, you go ahead and tap on that. Shows you all the benefits of joining Smashwords, has all your standard information. It's going to ask you to enter an email. It wants you to create a username and a password. You're going to enter that password twice just to make sure that you did it correctly the first time, so on and so forth. At the top of the screen, you want to go ahead and tap in the search bar and type in my name, which is Luis, L-U-I-S, last name Aponte, A-P-O-N-T-E. And in the results, you will see my name in parentheses, and you'll see all the ebooks that I have available, such as Excel Basics, Word Basics, Facebook, email, web browsers, and there's going to be several more that are coming. I look forward to your feedback. Please let me know what kind of technology you want to learn, and I will see what I can go ahead and deliver to you. Once you see an ebook that looks interesting to you, you can go ahead and tap on the cover, or you can tap on the title, and right below it you'll see like a little brief description, and you have the option to buy, or you can read a sample. And you will see all the different formats in which this particular ebook is available, such as EPUB, MOBI, PDF. Regardless if you have an Apple or an Android device, you always want to download the EPUB version because you downloaded Overdrive. Overdrive only reads EPUB documents.
As a result, once you do download the ebook, it'll automatically open up in Overdrive and you can read it from there.
Thank you so much. I hope that you found this tutorial very helpful. If so, please make sure to share it with your family and friends. Make sure to subscribe to my channel right here, right now, and if you haven't done so already, please follow me on my other social media pages on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Oh, also, check out my art prints on Etsy.com, as well as my t-shirts and coffee mugs on Teespring.com. They make great gifts for anyone who loves books and coffee as much as I do. I hope to see you in the next video. Please stay safe, practice good social distancing habits. If you have any questions, please contact me. I love receiving your feedback and answering any questions you might have. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Take care.